How's it going, everyone? This is Israel, your loan officer down here in Southern California. Today is January 25th, 2021, and let's get right into the news. We have the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, and the NASDAQ doing pretty solid numbers. And with that, let's jump really quick to what's going on in the real estate across the country. Here we go. Nearly 20% of renters in America are behind on their payments. Now, this is going to be like a ripple effect because if they're not able to make their payments, well, guess what? Landlords are not going to be able to receive those payments. And as we know, landlords also have their own mortgages to pay. And so it's just going to cause this ripple effect across both the renters and the landlords. Now, luckily for everyone, the Biden administration has extended the national ban on evictions through March 2021. Okay, now moving on to the next one. Pandemic is driving people to buy bigger homes in suburbs. I don't know about your state, but here in Southern California, they're calling it the exodus. People are literally selling their homes, getting massive amounts of equity, and they're just buying bigger homes in states like Texas, Florida, Salt Lake City, Idaho, Indiana, Tennessee. I mean, you name it. Obviously, these states have more affordable housing, and it's a ricochet because they're able to go into these states, buy these massive, huge homes, but at the same time, they're affecting the people that are currently living in these states. And that actually carries on to the next section. Existing home sales climbed 0.7 in December 2020. Now, going back to the first piece of news, this exodus that I was mentioning, people will think that a lot of people are living in California. They are, but at the same time, these homes, just like they're being sold, they're being bought. And so the state is actually pretty happy that this exodus is happening. Why? Because the people that had originally bought those homes, they were paying a lower property tax. Come in this new buyer, well, their property taxes has probably tripled, and they're okay with that because just as long as they're able to grab a piece of property, they'll pay that higher property tax. And moving on to the third piece of the news is spike in lumber and land prices causes home builders' confidence to fall. Now, ultimately, what's going to happen is that these home builders are going to have to raise the price of these new homes, and that's going to affect a lot of buyers. And that's probably why Biden's administration of that $15,000 credit for first-time home buyers is going to come into play, because it's going to help a lot of these buyers that are going to find that these homes are racing in price every single month. So we'll keep an eye on that $15,000 program, and as soon as it comes out, I'll definitely give you guys the details on that. All right, moving on to the next one. We have loans still taking 2 months to close as refi demand stays strong. The interest rates on a 30-year fixed mortgage originated in December reached an all-time low, hence the news that we were just talking about. There's this company, ICE Mortgage Technologies, comes up with a report on the monthly basis, and it tracks these types of loans: FHA, conventional, and VA, and they noticed that all fell below 3% for the second straight month. FHA and conventional loans dropped to 2.94 and 2.96%, and each averaged a 2.99% the prior month. Now, let's go take a look at what the mortgage-backed securities market showed us today. We're doing pretty decent, 1%. There wasn't a lot of activity, which is good. That was reflected on the mortgage rates. And so let's jump right into those really quick. We're going to have the conventional loan. Again, this is going to be your 30-year fix and requires a 20% down payment on a purchase of a home. You can pause the video. Just want to make 2 points here. Depending on what your FICO score is, these are the rates that we're offering you today. As you can see, the people with the 740 plus and the 700 range, their rates went up a little bit. Again, you can pause the video and take a look at what the competition is offering with a 740 FICO score. Moving on to the second program, we have the FHA. Similar criteria, 30-year fix. The only difference is that this only requires a 3.5% down payment. These are the rates as of today versus the ones from yesterday. We saw a decrease with the people that have a 740 FICO score and a 640 FICO score as well. And here we are, record-breaking interest rate of 2.25 on a 30-year fix. You can pause the video, take a look at what the competition is offering with a 740 FICO score. It looks like the lowest is Citibank and Quicken Loans at 2.625. So you could definitely see that we are extremely competitive on those rates. All right, and to finalize this video, if you are thinking about refinancing, give us a call at 661-388-7667 and take advantage of these really low rates. If you're a homeowner, lumber is going up, and as you know, 90% of a home requires lumber, and so if those prices are going up, chances are that price of that home will eventually continue to rise even faster. So if you can, And if you want to know more about how to qualify for a home, give me a call at 661 388 7667. And for our homeowners out there, if you're thinking about what the property value is, give us a call. We have a great team of agents that will be able to help you out on that. Just again, 661 388 7667. May God bless our nation. May God bless you. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.